Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about Miss D. And she's saying that people are playing with her because look at what she wore. And, she's saying that people, well, you're talking about stagnancy. And she's also saying that she's talking about the prime minister is not helping and other things. She's saying her birthday is in January, and so why she's celebrating her birthday in February. And it's a whole lot of things that Marcia has to say about Miss D. So go and catch the video to see what she has to say. And like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. All right? And for all the lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthday today, have yourselves a wonderful day and a happy birthday to you all. And wishing you prosperity, love, peace, joy for the year. Okay? And for my other lovelies, guys, please have yourselves a wonderful day today.
Pussy clot leg look like on a blood clot buffalo. Me have blood clot, straight love, straight teeth, perfect teeth. What the fuck you got? You think your money can't do nothing? You know how much bumbo clot people in the hospital right now? We take care of blood clot nursing people every fucking day, old people. Them have them blood clot money. And them have to use and pay we if pussy clot look after them. Them can't go away with it. No fucking way them can't go with that blood clot. Them have to pay we to look after them. The money in a bank. Them have in a nursing blood clot home. Where it go? Where is it going? Eh? Who the fuck you think you're playing with? Who you think you're chat? Eh? Get the fuck out of here. Go take your money and go spend for yourself. You're there Jamaica, you don't even have the finest life in Jamaica. Put up some blood clot love for Marcia ever bless. Because nobody now put that bitch in her place. The people them out here, them ungrateful. I show off from people. Where you have to show off? You don't have no fucking money. Your money done because you have to mind the whole of blood clot Mountain View. You understand? People will tell you the fucking truth. You not have it. You spend it up and spend it up. You spend it up and buy a whole heap of blood clot liquor and all kind of cakes and thing, all kind of something. And they sit down right near blood clot shelf them. And show off yourself and go take out bumbo clot X6 so you can't fucking drive. Eh? You can't even drive. And you are come about you take out car. And because you see Miss Kitty them. I'm a big society people them. Go to school, go learn to fucking bake. You can't bake. If I know me, that you that teach, you that be a fucking role model. What kind of role model you come up style for people? Eh? And I will you fucking like a tough face. When need some good rejuvenation. Eh? Eh? You need some blood clot Botox under your blood clot yay. Eh? As much as for me one and cock and whatever, them not look not like a few. Look how you have money. You think me could have blood clot money and sit down at Jamaica so and me no go a pussy clot doctor get some rejuvenation in my pussy clot face and some Botox and refine myself. What the fuck you can come on social media about your about your show off on people? You show off on people, you not turn good? Where you turn good? You know blood clot turn good and you call people stagnancy. Get the fuck out of here. Me nah pet and powder your pussy clot. Nope. Me nah pet and powder you. The truth is the fucking truth. You not look good. You know blood clot turn good. Go pay some of the money. When you come back from Canada, make sure so that blood clot money will collect at Canada. You go spend it. You think somebody know someone not pay people for cost me? Eh? You think somebody know that? Get the fuck out of here. You think I don't know that? Get the fuck out of here. Like I don't know that. Say you pay people for cost me. Well, you're paying people for cost me. You think say I don't know? Eh? You come. What kind of sense is that? People in America hardly how much rate now. Then can't barely pay them blood clot bill and you come on social media with your fucking little big dumb self. And then you come and talk about people stagnant. Stagnant me pussy clot. You can't look like me, bitch. You can't look like me. Eh? Me walk straight. Me no walk like on a blood clot penguin or rock. You understand? Me walk straight up. When me walk, head off a blood clot turn. When me walk. Me a blood clot, high class girl. Una coulda call me ugly like a blood clot duckling. When me walk, you see how me walk? You see how me walk? I walk straight. I don't walk like me a penguin. And first of all, you can't walk in a blood clot shoes them walk in. Because you can't manage them. You cannot. You can't walk in that pussy clot. When me look up, I walk like I have $1 million blood clot dollar. And you walk like you ain't got shit. Yeah? All of that wheel up. Your name so disgusting. Go learn for name. Too much people are watch you. And you say name like a blood clot hog. Bitch ass people ain't come and compare me. Compare what? You ain't got shit, nigga girl. You ain't got shit. Bullshit. Bullshit. I have a 4 o'clock appointment.
Date of birth.
Not a thing. Take a look.
What's your last name?
Campbell. Bright and hot that. Me dey on social media tell the truth. Bitch, you have nothing for me. Desperate and broke. Desperate and broke. Both you run come to Canada. Your birthday gone a long time. Where you come to Canada about? Where you come to Canada about your kid birthday party? You born fucking February. You born January. You born January. Only if you stop playing with her. She a insult you because she can't insult me. Because look at my life, the way me live my life. And I mean she a drop out pan. I wanna stagnant people will take on a fucking home care money I give her. Me not take my money give her so she can't call me stagnant penny for myself. You understand? So she can't drop no word for me. I wanna blood clot poor bitches. Let me drop my pan. Yeah. Hold on.
I would say
Where, here?
yes on that.
Okay. She's not available.
Did you dial 892?
Yeah. Let me try it again. 8292, right? Yeah, her name is Paulette?
Yes.
Yeah, she's unavailable. What floor is she on? The 3rd floor?
No, she's on this floor.
Okay.
The providers are kind of done for the day.
Uh-huh.
That's the issue.
What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is fine. If other people don't understand what this girl are going with, I want to come on social media and a pet and a powder her. Wanna see on herself? Look on the t-shirt what she have on in front of her. Look on the t-shirt what she have in front of her. And a mock we people in America, we are work so hard to survive and keep a crutch clothes without man taking advantage of us and working. And look at it. Look at it in that perspective. How much I want to hear can't even pay on the rent this month here. And whole landlord. Me no whole landlord nothing. Cause which part me live? In the building there, me can't work. If me no pay, my key don't work. Cause me no use regular key.
I have not tomorrow, but a Thursday.
Thursday come in? Yes, Thursday is fine.
I have 11 or 1.
1 o'clock is fine. Yes. So check, look at it in that perspective. So they completely finished for the day. Everybody's finished for the day.
They're with their last patient.
Okay.
And they don't see walk-in patients as, you know, the last appointment for the day. So, yeah.
Me not care. Me not care what I want to say. Me live my life already. Me just relax now. Me not busy when I want to call me. When you could have called me deaf, blind, and dumb. Do I look like I care? No. You think say high school is? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. You think say high school is? Me have 51 on the 26th of February. Me no want kiss ass mode. One mode say kiss my black ass. Me don't care who no could have called me deaf, blind, and dumb. Welcome to the deaf, blind, and dumb world. Welcome to America. Welcome to America. This me look like somebody who care when I want to talk about me say. The truth shall set you no ass free. Me truth shall set no free. The truth is the truth. The truth is the truth. Is the truth. The truth is the truth. Oh no, the truth is the truth. And them don't like to hear the truth. So if them don't like to hear the truth, me, I give them the truth. I mean, no, so when me I say is 100% correct. Me no care. Who no could have called me deaf, blind, and dumb. I don't give a fuck. Me I tell you straight up. Me have me take enough dick in my life. me take enough man in my life. I'm fine. They're finished for the day. So I have to come back Thursday.
Okay.
Yes. Me sick. Me did have, you see, what happened was, me have a follow-up visit with the nutritionist from the other day. So from the other day, me I miss appointment. So me see them text me a message and say me have an appointment at 4 o'clock on the 20th. But guess how when? At the 20th of March. And today, we say at the 20th of March. At the 20th of March. But anyway, I get one for Thursday. So me supposed to come. So me see text message and he said, your new appointment is today at 4. But so me never look on the part. Me never look on the part for this year, no, February the 20th. And March the 20th. So what happened? Him have him last, them done for the day. Then done for the day. So I eat no, but anyway, I get something for Thursday. Yeah. The truth shall set no free. Let me take a there. When I play with her, she bright and out and harder. Eh? After what people done for her, come past social media. You think so when you drop out pan me and me alone you drop out pan? You fuck and now wine. And you not get no fuck, you're too tense. I hope you find. I hope you enjoy yourself when you Canada and get some freedom. Because you not get no blood clot freedom. So while you go to Canada, make sure you have a man in Canada to get some good fuck. Because you need some sense. Maybe you're too tense. Maybe you need a good man over there for name your pussy, bitch. Because you not get nothing. Because which part today, it's too close to call. So you might not get enough time to fuck you. So while you're there, can just go over one room and get your man with that Canada to fuck you good. Because that's what you need. So you can put some blood clot sense in your head, bitch. And look at Marcia and take a look at me. Look at Marcia. Take a fucking good look at Marcia. Just take a look at me. I mean, these fucking people, I mean, they're fucking crazy. I mean, look at me. I mean, look how fucking refined I look. I mean, just take a look at me and compare to you. Yeah, take a look at me. I mean, take a look. Take a fucking good look at me. Eh? Take a good look at me. Eh? You think say I give a fuck? I mean, take a good look at me. Eh? Take a good look at me. Take a good look at blood clot Marcia. Take a good look at me. Take a good look. Just take a fucking good look at me. I mean, take a good look at me. I I mean, take a good look. Take a good look, honey. Take a good look. All the people who love Marcia, show some love. All the people who love Marcia, share people who love her, people love me too. All the people who love Marcia, show some motherfucking love. Show some love. For all the people who love Marcia, show some love. See there, bitch? See there, motherfucker? Me got love too. See there? Yes, see it right there. To all the people who love Marcia, show some motherfucking love. She got love, me got my people. She got her people, me got my people. So fucking what? The truth shall set her free. Stop make the girl come and diss on the phone a blood clot hard working home care money. Eh? 4 fucking years to 5 years. Girl left from for $500 slippers. Cleaning shit house and bush straw at office them. And come a pop blood clot style pound before she fucking humble. I wanna sit down there take fuck creek. And the America sit down in a blood clot cold weather. I catch pussy clot bus and taxi. Can't barely find one bomber clot bus fare to go back to work. Huh? How wanna make girl come up a pop style pound and call me stagnant? Cause she can't talk about me. Not a pussy clot. Cause she no go where me go and she no name where me name. And she can't look like me no time at all. Take a blood clot, good look at this face. Take a good look. Look at my hand. Look at my legs. Look at my blood clot breasts. Look. So take your truth just set no free. The girl supposed to be a representation for plus size woman. And it is supposed to be a representation for the ghetto girls them in there. To stop show off pan them and help them. Take up what she should have even done to. The money that she take out of charity, she should have even built up a little spot right there in a Mountain View. And up one little hairdresser class where she have some people come and even make a little infrastructure, buy some chair, get some chair, donate, and teach the blood clot young girl them in the community. Bring them in and give them a free class. Do you want to do nails? Get a professional teacher to come there and even make Facebook people pay them. And a hairdresser to come and teach them how to do proper hair. You understand? And that you should have do. But the fucking girl just a walk a pop style for Mountain View people. Where the Mountain View people will love Marcia, put up some love. Build up one little spot. Build up one little recreation centers. Where instead of you pop too much style for the people with the money, call it the DMG Community Center. Where the pitnam can come and get little candy. Yeah. You understand? Get a projector. And get little clip them down and download with a little cartoon pan and everybody got Netflix and Cinderella and get the recreation center where the pitnam can come. You understand? Get them a little extra class and that you call blood clot motivation and inspiration. Not for you to come and invest all in a college student to get millions of blood clot dollars. Let me give you some idea, bitch. Let me give you some ideas. Build up one little recreation. You come at a drop word. Leave the government alone. But yeah, give speech, but government nah do nothing. Government nah do nothing. The government fix up Jamaica good. Jamaica look like a blood clot New York. The people them can shop and do whatever. Them have people they have cars. Them bringing in call centers and all different thing. And the people them not improve themselves. If some of them blood clot girl they shot them pussy clot leg and take birth control, they would not breed up and have so much blood clot pitney. And if them did concentrate on them schoolwork, they would not have a breed up so. That is what you have to do. So take my fucking advice, bitch. Go and build up a little recreation center. Get somebody there. And make a pit them up and teach them how to get out of the ghetto. And empower your blood clot self too. If you know, say when you establish yourself, you come out of the fucking ghetto. So the people them who did there watch, you cannot stay back there. And go about them business. Because you always take everything when me say, take that